everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. This is a channel that focuses on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and today I'm back with a really exciting video. I am going to be starting a healthy hair challenge. So this is with Lasio Haircare, and I am really excited. They reached out to me asking if I'd like to do this challenge, and what a perfect time to actually do it, because I find in the summer my hair gets very dry, and lately I just feel like I have to straighten my hair because if I wear it curly, it's unmanageable, it gets frizzy, it gets hot. So I'm really excited to try these products because I am hoping that they will help me. So I haven't used it yet, but I am going to actually take a shower right after I film this and start using these products right away. I'm just going to review the products with you. So the first thing is the Lazio Professional Hair Care Keratin Infused Hyper Silk Replenishing Shampoo. So what this line really does is that it does help with frizziness, which, you know, humidity, black girl hair, it's a combination that frizziness is inevitable right now. And also too, it does help with length apparently. And before I jump into talking more about the shampoo, just to give you a little bit of background, I do have really long hair. So this is my natural hair. It is about 27 inches. So I was actually surprised how long it is. Like, if it gets longer, like it gets caught right now, like in my seatbelt holder, in my dog's paws, like it does get caught everywhere. But I want my hair almost to the ground, I feel like. But back to the shampoo, you just put a little bit on, massage, and yeah, I'm excited. It is sodium free. It prolongs a keratin treatment. It is safe for colored hair. So I'm really excited to try that. And I think the packaging is really nice too. Like, it's very classy. The next thing they sent me is the Lazio Deep Coco Mask. And this is limited edition. I do love me a good hair mask. So you do put this on for about 15 minutes and then you rinse it off. I'm excited to try that because I find for me a mask either works really well or doesn't work at all. So hoping this works. And then they sent over the Lazio Keratin Infused Hyper Silk Replenishing Conditioner. Same things. You do get a really good size too. Like, you do get 350 mils. So definitely a lot of product in here. I'm really hoping that this hair journey is going to help me because, I don't know, like, it's just very annoying when your hair is just not cooperating and you have to spend so much time, and even putting product in like multiple times a day just feels really gross on my scalp, and it's, I don't know. I just find I'm in like a hair rut right now, so definitely perfect timing. I really want to see, I'm going to insert some photos so you can see what my hair looks like. Of course, you can see in this video what it looks like. I washed my hair on Thursday and it's Sunday. So, you know, it hasn't even been that long since I washed it, and it's already a disaster. So I will insert photos so you can kind of see what my hair looks like. And then after using this treatment, I am going to do a follow-up video so we can see what my hair is looking like, and also too if I had any growth. I will put their information down below, but definitely check it out if you're interested in learning more. Don't forget to also check back in about 35 days when I post my results. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also too, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So let me know your predictions on how many inches you think my hair will grow, and if we will see some anti-frizziness. So I thank you all for your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.